To remove the taillight assembly on your 2011-2016 Ford F-250, first ensure the vehicle is parked safely with the parking brake engaged. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical shorts. Open the tailgate for better access. Locate the taillight assembly, typically secured by two 10mm plastic bolts. Use a socket wrench to remove these bolts. Gently pull the taillight housing straight back, being careful to disconnect the wiring harness. Avoid yanking to prevent wire damage. Unplug the harness by pressing the release clip. Now the taillight assembly should be completely detached from the vehicle. With the taillight assembly removed, locate the brake reverse bulb socket. This is typically a 3157 or 3156 bulb type. Twist the socket counterclockwise to release it from the housing. Pull the old bulb straight out of the socket. Insert the new bulb, ensuring it's properly seated. Twist the socket clockwise to lock it back into the housing. Reconnect the wiring harness to the taillight assembly. Align the taillight housing with the truck bed and secure it with the two 10mm bolts. Before finishing, reconnect the negative battery terminal and test the brake and reverse lights to ensure they are functioning correctly. If not, double-check the bulb installation and connections.